Without Cimatron, we would not be able to do what we do today. In our old process, we used 3 different levels of software, and a designer would be working in one platform, the programmers would be working in another platform. If changes were to be made, we'd have to go through a process to ensure that errors weren't made.
We were designing on AutoCAD as our design software, and then we started using Mastercam for programming, and we found it was cumbersome. It wasn't one unit, so we purchased Cimatron. Over time, we've seen the quality of our product get much better because we're importing one file. We're not cross-migrating with different softwares and making mistakes or missing items. So having that integrated system for design and programming, Cimatron makes it just too easy.
Cimatron is a key part of what makes us very competitive in the marketplace. Every year they come out with more powerful tools, more options. Every year they make it more user-friendly.
I really enjoy Cimatron's ability to utilize not only 3D objects, but as well as all the faces and things. You can't always get the shape that you're trying to achieve by just using solids, so having those additional functions really help with doing custom design like we do.
One of the best things about using Cimatron is the ability to take a model, put an electrode on it, pull that electrode out, and take that electrode directly to the machine, all in one package. I don't have to switch to different softwares. I don't have to call in any external tools. I just have one software that does everything for me.
The tech support Cimatron, in all seriousness, we have not used them much because we don't run into many issues. But when we do have issues or whatever like that, I mean, be able to have them log on to our system, they'll do their due diligence to make sure we don't, that it gets fixed. I've had nothing but good things to say in reality about the tech support team.
Cimatron's strictly dedicated to the mold building industry. When we adopted the common Cimatron platform, we significantly cut time from 16 weeks to a 12-week tool build, just being able to utilize the templating abilities, the customization abilities that the software provides. The investment was well worthwhile.
Everybody's invested with Cimatron here, and I don't see us ever changing. Cimatron has a complete package that services us and services our needs 100%.